It's Benfica facing Manchester City.
Well, Derek, we can talk about coaches and their methods, but it's now down to the players. Which ones are going to stand out, who will affect the game, and who will have the greater desire? It should be a cracking game, though.
Terrier. And in with a chance! Well, just a whisker wide of the post. Not a bad effort at all. Alexander-Arnold. And the ball with Shevchenko. Now Son. Really good challenge. No real threat, you've got to say. Valdemar Anton. Son. Chances on. And a goal! 1-0 it is. They've been pushing for the opener, and now they have it.
Well, just look at this again. He's so hard to knock off the ball once he gets going. Of course the defending could be better, but that's a great individual goal.
So back in action. Will there be a quick response from City? There needs to be. Heung-min Son. Son. Manchester City have it back now. Well, they've won themselves a corner and a chance perhaps to add an additional goal for security. And the danger is averted. Well, he's given us away. Alexander-Arnold. Henry. Now with Griezmann. Oh, and the flag goes up.
Well, he needs to be more aware there. He didn't work hard enough to stay onside.
Now in a more than decent position. Henry. We've had the official word. There will be a minimum of 2 added minutes. Shevchenko. Now Son. Son. And a goal to increase their advantage. It's a 2-goal lead now.
Well, he puts it away really well, as you can see. But you'd expect him to score from that range. But they all count.
So underway again, and a 2-0 advantage here. A chance then for the respective managers to address their charges. It is half-time here. Back in business, and no sugarcoating it. There was a big gulf between them in the first half. Will we see a response from City in the second? Can he find the right pass? City get the corner. Can he get one back? And there it is! Still life left in this game, and they have the momentum now.
Well, here it is again. Just look at the quality of the cross. It's inch perfect, and it's a comfortable finish in the end, which is made to look so easy. It's a lovely goal.
So there we have it, 2-1. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Now with Beckham. Griezmann. Roy Keane. At times they make passing look easy. I think I spoke too soon. Wasn't the best of passes finally. Moving forward effectively. This could square the game. Touched onto the woodwork. Couldn't grab grab hold of it. Alexander-Arnold.
Yeah.
The high press was on. Oh my goodness! What an outrageous hit! I can't believe he took it on from there, and neither can the goalkeeper.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a really inviting ball played into the box, begging players to attack it. And when he gets onto it, he holds off the challenge, keeps his balance, and makes good contact with the ball. That's a top-class finish.
And Manchester City will go to their bench. So underway again at 2-2.
ยิงเขาส่งมาเยอะเกินเนี่ยโอ้
20 minutes remaining. And the referee takes exception to the challenge. Free kick. And City get the throw in.
ข้างหลังหัด
Beckham. Griezmann. How can they nudge in front late on here? And credit is due for that good piece of defending.
Well, the atmosphere is so tense inside this stadium, but can they find that moment of magic to win this game? The crowd certainly think so. Just listen to them.
Well, doesn't have to do it on his own.
ร้อยควีน
Well, you've got to say, comfortably off target, Stuart.
Yeah, that's a waste of good possession. His teammates are not happy with him, and they're letting him know.
ไอ้ที่จะปลูกเอ้ย
Well, the action is going to continue for a while yet. We will have 4 minutes of stoppage time.
เราก็ยิง
Griezmann.
เปิดหัวไปที่ตา
Keane. And now Henry. And there it is, the full-time whistle. Well, they can't be separated, and goals very much part of the equation. Stuart, as always, interested to get your final...